Wanna come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Help it from the back now, second one. Come here. Wickedness can never done. Wickedness can never done.
No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No peace!
And there's no results for me. For me, there's no results. Once I tell me that I'm drunk, there's no result. For the people that watch it, no result.
There it is, the father confirming, the father of Adrianna Young confirming that the autopsy report drowned. The father of Adrianna Young, Mrs. O'Brien, confirming that the pathologists have told him that young Adrianna Young drowned. This is the story that's developing here. The father of Adrianna Young confirming that the autopsy report said that the child drowned, and he's not accepting such a report.
You see, from rise up, I'm realize how heavily the security was and what was going on down there. I kind of realized them did have a fubble bubble, as called to Miss Kitty. I kind of realized that. To be poor is a crime and get to a jail. That will never change. Rich is right, poor is wrong. That now will change. Where, how, this little girl drowned? In the same pool them search a couple of hours before? Come on, man. No stop taking people and for idiot, man. No stop taking people and for idiot. Who drowned with cotton in them nose? Who drowned with cotton? I see them a type some comment for DR0WN and DR0WN in the comment section. I nah back that. I nah condone that. You understand me? You see, that hotel that got burned down, I'm honestly wondering who did it. If it was the rioters or if it was the owner. Because every evidence got destroyed in that fire. Think of me and saying, remember, insurance upon that hotel, so the money can bill it back forward easy. Remember, they have more than physical proofs that people bombard the hotel. you would probably have to go pay to fix back all of what them break up, you know. But now that the hotel burned down by rioters of course, everything in it is now insured. All of what that got broken up by the rioters are also under coverage by the insurance. I'm just say, I don't know what happened, I'm just say. You understand me? I'm just assuming. I try to pick sense out of nonsense. I try to figure out what's going on. But it honestly don't look good. It honestly don't look good. The police report that came out, they specifically said a red car, a red vehicle. They told the license plate number and said the vehicle was traveling in an easterly direction. But yet still they never put that video out. But yet still I come back and find that little girl in the pool. So she drowned out of the vehicle, she goes to the east, you know, and then come back here, so come later in the pool, if you want to find her here, so it was too hard to find her over east. No, I'm trying to grasp exactly what's going on. Tell me. The father set him and everybody searching premises 6 o'clock. And then they find her minutes to 10. In the same pool with them search. So, the father are idiot. The people, whatever people may search are idiot. Because they miss her in the little pool. And the Olympic size pool. When I act like them cruise ship that we have 50 pool on the ship. And I say, oh, I missed that pool over the one in southeastern wing. No, I want like a dirty pool in the hotel. And I tell me, say, nobody found Adrianna. I want to see a man come find her in the pool after all my people are searching her. I know the autopsy says she drowned with all kind of marks and bruises on her skin. So, I want to wheel her up. The water? Me here at one point, they must say look like she had burn marks on her. I what do that? Water? She have her nose. What do that? Who put cotton in her nose? Who does that? Who goes swimming with cotton in their nose? Who does that? Guyana, I'm not letting the people them down. I'm let down the citizens them wicked. Adrianna father, man, that's not respect. My heart goes out to you as a father. Me have my like a 14-year-old like a Marga one, just Marga like feel like one that to papa. Me have my little one and boy, if I did feel pick me out like behind and tell me that I burn down the hospital. I tell like God shoot and I've got to lock me up and done because I pick me down God. I burn down the hospital. But dear man, gas and diesel to the skin, one mix. And burn it down. So I don't want to say. Shit is what it is. Nah, I lie to you. That's unacceptable. That's unacceptable. The people, the injustice here, I don't think Guyana people never ever outlive the 1 year. The government, I don't think could ever get forgiven or forgotten for that 1 year. That owner for that hotel, please hire armed security because I think your days are numbered. Remember me I tell you because people are not accept that 1 year yourself. You know, realize? That's a hard one to swallow as a parent. That's a hard one. Chow breadcrumbs. I'm catching there. Excuse me?